Hello and welcome to Ted's Universe, where I talk about travel, art, and nature. And today we're going to be opening a box from Plant Delights Nursery out of North Carolina. I've ordered many times from this nursery. It is probably the premier mail order nursery in the country now. They have an extensive list of perennial shrubs and trees, many of which are hard to find anywhere else. It's always fun to get a box from a mail order nursery, and because you can get plants that you can't get anywhere else locally. That said, a little bit about Plant Delights Nursery, and you'll see as we open this up that their packaging is usually very good. Their plants are a little bit pricey and their shipping and handling costs are high. However, the quality of the plants and the packing makes it all worth it. So that said, let's open the box and see what we've got here. Whoa. Some of the papers blew away, but we'll get those later. It's getting a little windy. Oh wow. So let's see here. Write it down so you can see. So I want to show you first of all how they're packaged. Growing information, stuff about the nursery. Anyway, these are, as I said, it's very well packaged. Looks like nothing has moved. And we'll just proceed. Here's the other one, the other side. So the first plant that I'm going to be taking out, really in there tight. Oh, maybe these tabs. Over the place. This plant is a small palm. Not sure which one. So this is a sable palmetto. It's called bald head. It's kind of funny. It's named after a place in North Carolina, which is supposedly the furthest north, I believe, that this palm grows. It does grow into a tall tree, but it's supposed to be especially hardy, and should be hardy here in our Zone 7 climate. So that's the sable palmetto. Oh, wow. Roots are coming out of the bottom of the pot. That's going to be transplanted pretty soon. Let's see what else we have here. I ordered several winter hardy palm trees. I'm going to set this down for a minute. Okay, so this one is Trachycarpus fortunae, the windmill palm, variety Wagnerianus, which is supposed to be a more dense, a little more shapely palm, larger fronds than the regular Trachycarpus fortunae. So two nice little palms there. And that, of course, is native to the Himalayas. And this palm, get it? Okay. And this palm wow. The roots are sticking up out of the pot. These have got to be repotted almost immediately. planted out. Let's see. This should be a Mediterranean fan palm variety. It is. It's sometimes I'm not sure of the pronunciation. Chamaerops humilis variety cerifera, which is a form that does get more bluish, I guess, as it gets older. It's supposed to the Atlas Mountains variety from North Africa, the Mediterranean fan palm, and perhaps the hardiest form of that variety, that species. So there are 3 palms. Winter hardy in my zone, zone 7B, order A. And then last but not least, and this is really amazing that it's actually in bloom. It got a little beat up, unfortunately, but it is a hardy orchid, native to Asia. It is, I forget the name. It's very nice. It's got 3 stems in here. And this is Calantha tacane, which I believe is a hybrid of Calanthe, or at least a variety. And so this is really nice. It's obviously a large enough plant to be flowering. So I'm very happy with the plants that I got today. And as you can see, they were very well packed. Survived the trip well from North Carolina to New Mexico. And I'm looking forward to planting them out in the garden and see how they do. I'm especially excited about the ground orchids. I also have Blatilla striata in the garden, and they're up from the last winter and planted in the fall last year, and they're up already this spring. So that said, some new plants for the garden, again from Plant Delights Nursery in North Carolina, and they are one of my favorite places to buy plants. So that said, happy gardening and hope to see you soon.